Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making sweet lassi with butter. It's the amazing combination. The best summer break. 1 glass of milk. 250 grams of yogurt. Pinch of black pepper. Pinch of salt. Sugar 3 teaspoons. We have added butter to the lassi to give it a new texture. Add ice 1 bowl. Its taste is very yummy. Enjoy this drink with your family and friends this summer. Love our recipes? Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Add Balaei cream. Thank you for watching.